only 7 electronic components to make the simple joule thief circuit that will work with supercapacitor. Let's build it. What is a joule thief? A joule thief is a minimal self-oscillating voltage booster that is small, low cost and easy to build. Typically used for driving small loads, such as driving a LED using a 1.5 volt battery. From Wikipedia. Yes, I'm making a simple joule thief circuit, but I'm gonna power it with supercapacitor. This is the guy. One ordinary LED, N-pen transistor, 2N3904, 2 inductors, 150 millihenries, 10 nanofarad capacitor and 820 ohm resistor. And here it is, the circuit diagram. I call it a vampire torch that works from 0.6 volts to 1.5 volts. Alright. The circuit is finished, and to mention, this is supercapacitor with 5.5 volts, 1 farad. I'm not gonna use 5.5 volts, I'm gonna use maximum 1.5 volt to charge the capacitor with my power supply and see does it work. The power is set on 1.5 volts. This go to ground and with positive. Just see how quickly I'm gonna charge it. Pulling 80 milliamperes, and that's it. Couple of seconds to charge a supercapacitor, and this joule thief circuit will span all the current from the supercapacitor. Okay, let's charge it a little bit more. It's going. Okay. After 5 minutes, it's still working, and it's powered by the supercapacitor. By the way, you can power up this joule thief with regular 1.5 volt dead battery and will work fine. Just to prove you, this is almost dead battery. It has 1.2 volts, and when you put it in the battery holder, the joule thief starts working, and it's super bright. Okay, and when you remove it, the battery, it's still working because of the supercapacitor is charged by this dead battery. Alright.